I was so tempted to just like put them back in the cart. So I'm like, no, it looked too bad. Hey guys, what's up? Alright, so I'm heading into Spanish Town to get some grocery and do a little bit of back to school shopping. But I have a budget and I'm really, really trying to stick to that budget for this month. So listen, I don't know how that gonna work. Is it grocery? Grocery beat my bad. Like, what is Jojo? Anyways, yeah, grocery beat my bad, and I'm like, so I am trying to see if I buy like snacks per week instead of buying everything for the month, if that's going to work out better, because when I buy like the snacks for the month, it lasts for like the week same way. So I'm just going to just buy stuff like snacks for Jan and Amari for the week, and then buy the snacks like week by week and see if that works out better as opposed to buying everything for the month. But like, what is this? Obviously, girl need to take care of. Anyways, but what made I say? Yeah. But like for me to like flow on them stuff there, I'm going to buy that for like the month. But then I've seen how that work. And I'm also going to be trying to like do some meal plan on me, then something there. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that this works, because not nice at all. Anyways, I want to go on the road now. It's actually a good day to go on the road because work isn't like that hectic, so I can like switch out on the road and come back. But my issue is leaving the yard. Like, I just find it so hard to like go through the gate, and I keep thinking about the sun, and then I pull my ear, and honestly, I don't know if I pull my ear. Like, my feel I just got Spanish on like this, like a crazy person, right? Right. But anyways, yeah, make expansion, and I'll take you along to see, and then I can give you like an update to see how that's grocery thing work out and all that jazz. But guys, I did my nails the other day and they weren't nice, so I took them off, and this one in particular was really hurting me. The nail broke like right across, like, and look how my nails them look like crap now. Like, them hot girls something down of mine. And of mine. Anyways, later, I guess. So, we'll leave out. This is Jan. The sun's hot, guys. Mari's there. He's getting so big, guys. Like, anyways, sun hot. So, we're going to try up and get a taxi and see how quickly I can come back. Guys, I just got back. I'm tired. Yes? Alright, yeah, me soon come. Banana. She wants banana. But guys, I went over budget for every single thing. Everything, like every segment of my list, I went over budget. And I'm like, I went to the supermarket, I went to ILO. I wanted to go somewhere different, but because of the time and I had Johnny and Amari, and to carry all these bags, I really couldn't manage to carry them by myself, right? So I had to go to ILO so that somebody could carry it for me. Let me get Johnny a banana. And then, so I went to ILO and I picked up a few stuff. No flour. No flour, no sugar, no rice, no funny, and a little bit of meat. Zine. And that was like $27,000 for two little something. And I'm like, I was so tempted to just like put them back in the cart. So I'm like, no, it looked too bad. Should I put them back? Cause what is this? What is this life? About 6 banana, 6 apple, and I don't even know how much melon, and that was $1,600. And this I done no day because first of all, 3 of the banana them done already, and we literally just reach in. So these things last no time. And I didn't buy like a lot of snacks. I bought sorry. Like stuff to prepare for them. It's actually cook and stuff. And I don't get like cabbage and them stuff there. Leave it. Don't get cabbage and them stuff there yet. So I don't know how people are surviving. Because one case was $27,000. Plus I buy 2 uniform and 2 writing book and just 2 little something. Like I am broke. And August don't start yet. And I'm broke. The good thing is I'm staying home. I work from home. It's his summer. Nobody's going to school. So we can all stay here and dead for hungry. Because I can't afford life. This is ridiculous. And if I'm not careful, Amari, like, it will just come every 2 seconds and just take. I have to like put a limit on it and be like, 1 snack per day, 1 snack. And if you want juice, they drink from the juice in the fridge that I mix. They don't take none of the box juice. And when we're going on the road, they can't take box juice. But when they're in the yard, drink from juice so we make cause. Can't afford them something here. But anyways, guys, I might have to continue this vlog tomorrow because I have the people in work to go do. So later. Tell me why. This girl I behave like this. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Honey. Say my name. Yes. So Johnny's off me. I am starving, so I can make something to eat. I can make one of these. I don't have this burger breads thingy, but I have this. And I'm gonna make some nuggets for Jamari. So yeah. Guys, you know one of the things I struggle with as a mom is like constantly worrying if I'm doing a good job. Like are these kids going to grow up and be like, oh my god, my mother freaked up my life? Like I don't know, like that's like just a big thing that I think about. Hold on, I'm gonna get something to prop up the phone. So yeah, I was saying that like I really do struggle with thinking like, if you're doing the right thing and all of that. Even when it comes to like my parenting style, I don't like the whole beating thing. Like I do threaten Marion from time to time, but I'm gonna slap you up, boy. But I don't actually slap him up, and I know I shouldn't like give him empty threats and them stuff there. But more well, I like don't know what to do, and I don't want to beat him, and sometimes talking don't work. because I talk to Mari till like me can't talk no more. Like Amari this, Amari that, Amari that. Kid, you not saying that he's a bad child because he's a pretty cool kid. Like I don't get much trouble from him. Apart from him, just have too much energy sometimes. And I think also we just need to understand that kids are kids, and certain things that we expect them to do, we shouldn't really be expecting them to do, because even we as adults can't do them. Like you expect them to sit still and to be well behaved and all of that, and then at the same time, this is it. Yeah, so I'm gonna make this. But at the same time, we as adults can't sit still for a long period of time. Like, you know, those simple things that we're expecting these children to do, and to be able to regulate their emotions and to not shout and get when they're angry, but then at the same time, we're doing the exact same thing. So, I just think sometimes we need to give these kids a little more leniency, because they're just tiny humans with emotions that they don't know how to control, because even we as grown-ups can't control them, we're not doing it properly. So I'm trying to give myself some grace and some leniency when it comes on to parenting, but I do struggle with the am I doing enough, you know, all that. So it's just a work in progress, and I just want to let you know, because I know a lot of parents watch my thing, and if you're not a parent as yet, that you're doing a good job. You know, you're doing your best. Just keep on doing your best. Keep on putting your best foot forward. Keep on doing what is best for you and your child and your family. And not everything that someone else do means that it's going to be a good fit for your family, or for you. So do you. And once you know you're not abusing the child, you're not abusing yourself, you're not neglecting yourself, you're not neglecting your child, you're genuinely doing the best that you can to provide for your child and to ensure that, you know, they grow up to be good, decent citizens, then pat yourself on the back, because you're doing your best. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Jesus. Kids. See what I'm talking about? But anyways, it is gonna end the vlog here. So hold on. Like, you know what? Let me not say. Let me just do, because you know your girl and consistency. But I feel like I'm always saying I'm working on it, but I am working on it. So just, I don't know, keep encouraging me, guys. You know, keep watching the videos and stuff, because you know, when I see those likes and when I see your comments and everything like that, it kind of motivates me to want to produce more content. But at the same time, I shouldn't like really focus on that. I should just produce content that I genuinely enjoy. But it's only natural to get demotivated and everything like that. But anyways, enough rambling. I'm gonna see you all in the next one. So bye, kids.